Hello, festival directors. In our last video, I showed you how to easily launch your festivals, saving you time to focus on the live events. In this video, I'll demonstrate the different functionalities to get your festival up and running. Please click on your profile and click on My Festival. This is the dashboard, where you can customize the header image, the URL link to your official website, set up events, and the section where you can launch the festival. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Events. When you click Add Event, you'll be selecting the event for the festival. First, you will title it. Select the start time and date, as well as the end time and date, and the time zone that the festival will take place in. Next, move to the bottom and decide whether it will be a virtual event or live event. Once you decide, hit the Add button. For the virtual festivals, you will click on it and see a section where the film will be placed. By selecting filmmakers, you can invite filmmakers to upload manually, or you can import them, which can be easily done with a CSV file from FilmFreeway. Sales is where you enable ticket sales. Please make sure your blocks and events are all set up before you turn on the ticket sales. Tickets is where you decide what kind of tickets that you would like to create, and you also have the flexibility to set up your own price. In the promo code section, you can click on Add Promo Code to set up specific discounts on tickets if you invite specific people. Flat is a 100% free. The percentage is the discounted method that allows you to offer a discount. Awards will be done after the festival, but you'll be able to provide the filmmaker with any award once you create one in the section, and then attach it to the film. Now, just take a quick look at everything before you move on. Next, let's work on a live event by following the same steps, but this time we'll click Live Event. I made one earlier, so we'll work on that one. The live event has a similar structure where, again, you can import filmmakers. This all depends on what the specific event you're hosting is. The first step here is to create a location where your live event will be held. Once the location is set, you can start creating a schedule of which specific films will be shown by clicking Add Block. You'll then select what kind of block it is. If it's a live stream, you will need to create a StreamYard account and then connect the URL. For example, let's just select a screening. Choose the location, name, description, start date and time, end date and time, and finally, save. Once a block is added, you will end by just adding the film that will be placed in the block. The voting section is where the films will be voted on by using a QR code. Tickets for a live event are created similarly to a virtual event. Simply select Add Bundle or Add Ticket Type and fill out all of the information about what kind of ticket it's for. A block will be specific for that time frame that we created earlier. All access tickets allow viewing at any time, and a day pass will be for a specific amount of time. Promo codes work the same as for virtual events. Awards are also managed the same way as virtual events. Votes show you the votes received for each film. Now, back to the front page, you'll see a section labeled Teams. This is where you'll be able to add any team, staff, or help to the festivals in any fashion, whether it's just adding films or working on anything in the back end. They will need to create an account beforehand. Finally, you have the monetization tab, which is how you can get paid, which is done by clicking on Connect Stripe and entering your email. Lastly, hit Launch Festival. Uh-oh, you have not chosen a subscription yet. Of course, you can try it and just create a channel, then pay later. Most importantly, you can star invite your filmmaker, program, event, scheduled films, sit back, relax, and we will do the rest.